Said I'm living my best life. Said I'm living my best life. Made a couple M's with my best friends. Turned on my L's in the
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Yaya's Corner, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I get this super cute high bun. I basically just used a drawstring ponytail for this. It was getting old and I didn't want it to go to waste, so I just found another way to recreate the look. So instead of just doing a ponytail, I did this cute little bun, because after a while the ponytails, they get a little more frizzy, a little more matted and tangled, but if you do a bun, it kind of helps to disguise it and you can get more out of your money with the product. So yeah, I'm gonna be showing you guys how I get this bun. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's just get straight into this tutorial. Okay guys, so getting straight into this video, I'm just giving you an overview of how my hair is looking, and I do have a video on my channel of the products that I left in my hair to prep it for this hairstyle, so it will be in the description. But I'm starting with my Thick and Shine styling gel, and I'm just going to place that all over my head. This stuff is so good for slicking my hair. And then I'm just taking my Boar bristle brush and I'm just going to brush the product throughout my hair. I always use this gel. It's so good for my hair type, so I love it. And then I'm going in with the Gorilla Snot gel, and I'm placing that on top of it just so it can have a better hold, plus it makes your hair look even more shinier. And I'm just going to brush that throughout my hair as well, so you guys see that there. And then I'm going in with two Goody Brand scrunchies. I have thick hair and my scrunchies tend to pop a lot, so I do have to go in with two scrunchies. So I'm just brushing through my hair to make sure it's as slick as possible. And then I'm going to wrap that around about 2 or 3 times. It looked like I did about 3 times. Once again, I have super thick hair. And I'm just placing it into a bun, and then I'm taking another scrunchie and I'm going to try to make the bun as small as possible, since I am using a drawstring and I need to be able to put it over the bun. So this is the old drawstring ponytail that I'm using. As you can see, it's old, it's gotten frizzy, a little matted, but it still has some use, some life we can make out of it. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the drawstring and just put it right onto my head. And this is like a $12 drawstring ponytail that I got from the beauty supply store. So I'm placing it right over, and then I'm going to draw it in tight, and then I'm wrapping the drawstring around and bobby pinning it into place so it's secure and it doesn't go anywhere. You don't want it falling off your head. So basically I'm going to take the ponytail, twist it around itself, and then I'm just going to wrap it around the head. So I had to do it one more time. Twist it around, then I'm wrapping it around until I get it to my liking, and I'm taking another scrunchie and placing it over the bun so that it stays in place, as you can see. And then I'm just going to take a few bobby pins just to secure it and just like shape the bun how I want it. So I'm kind of like pushing it back a little bit with the bobby pins. And then I'm going to go in and do my baby hairs. This is completely optional. Some people like baby hairs, some people don't. I'm using my K Naturals aloe berry gel. This is so good for kinky edges. Like, it's the #1 gel that absolutely lays down my baby hairs. So I'm just going in with the toothbrush and applying that and doing my baby hairs real quick and getting them to my liking. Like, this is the best hair gel for my edges, hands down. It lays them. I'm going ahead, brushing my hair, laying down any flyaways, and then I'm going to take a little satin scarf, leave it on my hair for about 20 minutes, and then afterwards, these are my results. A nice slick bun. I hope you guys all enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.
Do you love me? Are you riding? Say you never ever